The Artemis US Smaller Companies Fund invests in those smaller companies which are the heart and soul of the US economy. They start with a market capitalization of less than $10 billion, which means while they're considered small companies in the US, on a global terms, they're actually quite big companies. And they range from local banks to retailers to the very innovative part of the US economy in technology and healthcare. Our investment process is to look at companies where the fundamentals are improving. Perhaps they're selling a new product or expanding their audience or have invented something which is really useful and is growing market share a lot. So we want to see that tailwind of the business getting better, because usually what happens is when the business is getting better for a company, the share price goes up. When a UK investor invests overseas, they're certainly taking a currency risk. However, we are investing in the US dollar, which is probably the least risky of all of the global currencies. Within the fund, we're very mindful of individual stock risks, and we assess that stock risk every single day. So we don't want to take too much risk in terms of indebtedness or loss-making companies, for instance. ESG is one of the factors which we assess a company on. Just like we look at the financial statements, the balance sheet and the income statement, and assess the quality of the management, we also look at their ESG factors. Are they a particularly good or bad company, or indeed are they improving or disimproving on ESG factors? When you look at the market capitalization of companies in the US that are less than $10 billion, it's actually bigger than the European equity market. So we would say that you should always have some allocation towards US smaller companies within your portfolio.